Hey y'all, my name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and welcome to this quick routine that will stretch your muscles, activate your body, and calm your mind. We're going to start off in mountain pose, so stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and ground your feet into the mat. Reach your arms overhead with your palms facing each other and lengthen through your spine. Make sure that you're engaging your thighs and your core, and you take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Focus on grounding your feet and reaching upward, creating space in your body. We're going to transition into upward salute. So from mountain pose, we're going to inhale and stretch our arms upward, keeping our palms facing each other and lengthening our arms above us. You're going to tilt your head upwards, looking up slightly at your hands. We're going to take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. You're going to feel the stretch in your chest and in your spine. We're going to take one more deep breath in upward salute. And as we exhale, we're going to slowly forward fold at the hips, bringing our chest towards our thighs. We're going to let our head and neck relax and let our arms dangle towards the ground. We're going to feel the stretch in our hamstrings and release any tension from the back and neck. From forward fold, we're going to inhale, lifting our chest halfway, creating a flat back. We're going to place our hands on our shins or on our thighs. Please avoid placing your hands on your knees because you can cause serious injuries to your body. We're going to engage our core to maintain that length in our back and keep our shoulders away from our ears. We're going to take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. Take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. As we continue to do one more deep breath, you want to create space in your lower back and hamstrings. From halfway lift, we're going to transition into downward dog, so place your hands on the floor and step back. You're going to spread your fingers wide and press your hips up and back, aiming to straighten your legs and create an inverted V shape. Keep a slight bend in your knees if needed, and we're going to press our heels towards the mat. Relax your head and neck and focus on lengthening your spine, stretching your calves, hamstrings, and shoulders. We're going to take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. We're going to take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. Take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. As we continue to deep breathe 2 more times, we're going to bring awareness to the energy flowing in our bodies. From downward dog, we're going to step our right foot forward between our hands and lower our left knee to the mat. We're going to keep our right knee aligned with our right ankle. We're going to inhale and stretch our arms overhead, stretching through our chest and hips. We're going to hold this pose for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in our hip flexors and in the front of our left thigh. We're going to repeat this pose on the other side, so step your left foot forward and lower your right knee to the ground. We're going to inhale, reaching our arms overhead, stretching through our chest and hips, and again we're going to hold this pose for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in our hip flexors and in the front of our right thigh now. From a low lunge, we're going to gently lower our hips back and sit on our heels. We're going to reach our arms forward on the mat, bringing our forehead to the ground, or you can use a prop if needed. We're going to relax here for a few breaths, allowing our body to release any remaining tension. You are grounded, you are stable, you are aligned, and everything is working out in your highest favor. We're going to transition into a comfortable seating position on the floor, so whether that's you sitting in lotus pose with your legs crossed or any position on the floor that you feel comfortable in. We're going to gently rest our hands on our knees with our palms facing up and close our eyes. We're going to take a few deep breaths in and gently tilt our head from side to side. We're going to feel our breath moving through our body and allowing any other remaining tension to melt away. You are energized and ready for today. Thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of this time to invest in your mind, body, and soul. Namaste, and see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.